Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is another part of putting a gap into a curve. So I've already deleted the other file that I was using. I'm just going to take a ellipse tool. I'm going to go to Object, I'm going to convert it to the curve. Then I'm going to grab the Shape tool, I'm going to select the whole thing, and right here, break curve apart. Then you can take your eraser tool, and much like we did last night, if you wanted a 1/4 inch, you got to double it because I guess it's measuring from the center. So then with your eraser tool, and for the gentleman I did it for, remember we just did it 0.035, but we're going to do a 1/4 inch. Grab the eraser tool, and then you can just go through here wherever you want to put the gaps, and then you have gaps. And if you look, we have separate lines, and the laser will cut it out and stop at that gap. So once again, if you want it, like he wanted a 1/16 of an inch, so let's make sure it's a curve because I backed up, grab the shape tool and select it, and then go right here to break it apart. So then we're going to grab the eraser tool, and if he wanted a 0.07, we need to make it 0.035 and then hit, and then just swipe through there, and that'll leave that basically a 1/16 of an inch gap if we measure it with a parallel dimension tool, 0.07. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.